Hey, this is Dave, and I want to welcome you to video number 5 on building your affiliate site. Today, we're going to be talking to you. We're going to pick up exactly where we did on video number 4. And remember, I told you about getting content. You can use a company called Upwork. I think they're still a really good company. iWriter.com was the other one that I was trying to forget, trying to remember, not trying to forget. I did a good job on forgetting it on the last video. But anyways, iWriter.com. I've used both of these sites before, and with iWriter, you can set up a free account. You can get content for very, very cheap. But what you're going to do here is you're going to get some articles written, whether it's 5 to 10 or 5 to 10 articles. Get at least 5 going right now so you can get your blog looking good. And then once you've got your content, each time you add a content, what you're going to do is you're going to go into posts. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my site, which is Snap Online Business. Okay. So if you're going to add a post, you're going to add new. So I'm going to go into one of these posts that are already written. I'm going to go ahead and click on posts, and I'm going to go ahead and hit edit on this one here. So you're going to put your title right here, and you're going to drop the article right in here. Okay. Now we're going to get into this on another video here, which is doing Pinterest. But the one thing I wanted to share with you is the images. Okay. So on the right-hand side, you're going to click on your category. So once you drop in the post, you're going to basically put your keyword. Okay, we're going to talk about keywords here right away. Now, in this video, the keyword is how to use videos to make money. Okay, so you drop that in there. Click on your categories, add a featured image. Okay, now the featured image size you want to make sure is 640 by 417. So what I'm going to do is I use Canva. Okay, remember I said Canva a few videos ago? So Canva, I'll go into my designs here. And once I've already done a image, I can click on it and I can replace it. Okay. Now, as I said back here, you wanted to make sure you were using 640 by 417. Okay. For your featured images. Okay. So all you do is you pop that out, go into photos, and let's say you're doing make money, whatever your category is or whatever your keyword is, do that. You can drop this in, spread it out. You kind of see what I mean now. So it works out quite simple. Okay. And then basically once you've gotten in, you save it, you upload it the same way as you did before. Okay. And then what I'm going to do here is just go ahead and exit that out because I've already got it. Okay. And that's pretty much it. That's dropping the content in. Okay. And now let's talk about keywords. Okay. What I like to do here is use a site called Keywords Everywhere. And I've got it on my laptop. Everywhere. Okay. And Keywords Everywhere is a great little, so go ahead and install it for Chrome. Okay. Now this used to be free, but you can buy like, I don't know, millions of a lot of different credits for like $10. It's really cheap. Okay. But even if you don't want to use that, not a big deal. You can come back over to here, go to Google. Okay. And let's say you go make money online. Now this is going to be a crazy keyword. I don't know why everybody always thinks of that one here. Okay. And it's going to give you right there. So trend. So this is the trend. Make money online for free. So you're going to find a keyword. Okay. And now you're going to buy this for $10. You're going to get an API key. Okay. And we're just going to go with, let's see here. Anyway, so you'll go ahead and add your email, agree to the terms, okay, and then email the API key. Then what you do is you come back here and it'll give you your API key. And then when you go ahead and put searches in here, it's going to give you the competition. It's going to give you how many searches per month. Now, the nice thing about it is you can find other keywords by hitting load metrics, uses 8 credits, but you're going to get like 1 million credits. I mean, the amount of credits you get for 10 bucks are absolutely insane. This is the only keyword tool you're ever going to do. You're ever going to need. That's it. Okay. Now, when you come back over to here, and you're going to know what the article to be written about is. So like for this one here, this keyword is how to use videos to make money. Okay. So I want to make sure it's in my title. Okay, but I'm also going to make it look a little bit, just, you know, a little bit nice. So how to use videos to make money and generate solid web traffic. This is going to be something that people are going to look for. Okay, so then I get the article written about that. I put the keyword phrase in there because we used the Yoast, the SEO plugin, and just follow things. It's quite simple, folks. So we're going to go ahead and update this. You want to do this, you know, about 5 different posts, but once you're done your first post, okay, then we're going to connect to Google Analytics. I'm going to show you how to do that in about 2 seconds, but first let me go over to SEO on the Yoast and on general. Click on that right there. Okay, you want to look at features. You want to make sure these are all on. They should all be on except for this one, usage tracking. I turned that off. Okay, everything else should be on. Integrations. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. Webmaster Tools. Okay, so you're going to want to connect to Google Analytics, that type of thing. But we're going to actually do that a different way here. So let's see here on social, you're going to connect it to Pinterest, but I'll show you how to do that here in a bit. Okay, so let's go here and click on Insights. Now, okay, so let me go back to this one right here. So what I want to do is click on Insights, and I want to connect this here. But before I can do that, what I got to do is come over to Analytics. So you're going to go to google.com/analytics. So google.com/analytics. Okay. Now, because you don't have an account yet, now if you already have an account, great, no problem. Go ahead and just sign into it. Start it for free. Set yourself up an account. It's all good. Okay. Now I'm already logged into mine here because I wanted to make sure I was good to go. So okay, so let's not worry about that. Now this, the whole idea of having an account, so once you go ahead and get it all set up, you're going to come to a screen kind of like this here. But this site, Snap Online Business, this site's not even 2 weeks old. And I'm going to kind of show you a little bit about here. This is kind of what it's getting for traffic already. In just the last, since March 17th. So March 16th right now. So basically a week, not even a week, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22. So just shy of a week. And look how many visitors have already come. Now, this isn't a lot. This is, you know, this is just a start. So yesterday there was 4 users. So we're going to keep working on getting this more and more. Now, what you're going to do here is you're going to, whatever page you landed on, you want to make sure you come down here and click on admin. Okay. You want to create an account. And this account is going to be top, which one am I going to connect? Top rank affiliate, okay? And the reason I'm building so many sites here is what I'll do here is I'll build sites and then I'll sell them. But anyways, what I like to do here, I enjoy building sites. I always have. That's why I've got a lot of different sites going on, but I'm getting, you know, I've got a little too many of the affiliate sites going. So I'm going to probably sell a couple of these. So top rank affiliate. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click next. The property name is, okay, Top Rank Affiliate. Click on Advanced Options. And you want to create a universal analytics property, okay? And you want to make sure you click on create a universal analytics property only, okay? Now, you're going to kind of understand, you know, if you don't know Google Analytics, they have a newer version. I don't like it as well. And a lot of the web builders, bloggers, that type of thing, they still use the older one, which is the universal analytics property. So Top Rank Affiliate, United States. I'm going to change my time to Phoenix time since I'm in Arizona. Make sure create a universal analytics property. That's on. Now the website is what's toprankAffiliate.com. Okay, I'm going to copy that. Okay, and now I don't have this set up as an HTTPS yet. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here. I'm going to click next. And just put, you know, whatever category you want in there if you want. But I usually just go with other, or I can go online communities, small business. And you want to basically, let's see here, analyze, measure data across multiple platforms. You want to pretty much, that's it. Okay. You want to scroll down here. You want to hit this and I accept. Now it's going to go ahead and put it all together. Okay. And what you're looking for here is this number right here. Go ahead and copy. Oh, you don't need the top part. So we're going to hit copy. We're going to come back over to the site here. Click on settings and insights. And we're going to go ahead and connect Monster Lights. Actually, you know what? Let me backtrack here. There was another way I wanted to do this, which was enter it manually. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. Sorry, I didn't see this. So underneath this big blue button, click on here or manually enter. And right there. So you want to paste that UA code in there. Come down. And you want to tab out of there. So when you paste it in there, just hit the tab button out of there or hit return and hit save changes. And that's it. Okay. Now what's going to happen is you're not going to see anything. So let me just make sure I got this right here. Okay. Save changes. I'm going to hit refresh. But what's going to happen though is you're going to start seeing reports. Now it's not going to happen right now because you just connected it to Google Analytics. But as you start to get traffic, so come back over to Google Analytics, click on home. Now, as you start to see more and more sites, as you start to add more and more sites, sorry, not see more and more sites, but once you start building more sites, you'll have them in here. But for right now, you know, top rank, boom, boom, all website data. That's what you want to connect on here. Then you want to click on audience and go to your overview. And that'll give you an overview. Now there's no traffic because we just connected it here. Okay, now let's come back here. I want to just see. So the reports, as you can see, nothing's done yet. Okay, and it's a, oh, okay. So forgot to do one step here. So you must connect with Monster Lights before you can review the award. So launch setup wizard. It's a blog. Okay, and we're just using the free one, so don't worry about it. Connect to Monster Lights authenticating. You want to use your email. And I have a code that I use, so let me go ahead and get that. Okay. All right. And I'm using 110060. Just a higher level of security that I use so that people can't hack into my account. And I'm going to hit allow. And I'm going to be grabbing the Snap Online Business website data. Oh, no, sorry, the top rank affiliate right there. Okay. And so make sure you always do that. Now, I didn't put the site in wrong. Oh, Lord. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to have to cancel and fix that. I'm going to go into admin. And let's see here. I want to make sure you spell your site right. TopRankAffiliate.com. Okay. So I've gone ahead and did that. And I'm going to come back here and we'll try to connect again. Allow. Okay. It's going to automatically do that. Okay, perfect. And that's it. Just have to hit save and continue. And you don't need to upgrade to the Pro, just connect it as is, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and skip that step. Finish setup and exit wizard. Okay, good stuff. All right, folks, now you're gonna come in here and click on reports and you're not gonna see anything going on right now, but it's gonna give you everything that you're gonna normally see in analytics. So you don't really have to Google, not Google, you don't really even have to go back into analytics if you don't want to. Okay, so I'm going to let this refresh and then I'll log out of it, but don't need to get you guys staying in there. So we've got everything connected, so we're ready to do. You've got your Yoast SEO plugin, and we're going to be doing more videos on SEO. We're going to be doing more videos on best practices, that type of thing. But the whole idea of this 10-part video series, I wanted to show you how to get your affiliate site set up perfect. So let's just kind of recap here, folks. You've researched your niche, you've bought your domain, you've set up your hosting through Namecheap, you've set up your WordPress. Hopefully by now you've set up your SSL certificate through there. You've connected the plugins. You've started getting some content written. You've got yourself now connected to SEO, to Google Analytics, so you can start to track the traffic. You've got your legal pages on there, and you've got yourself not a bad looking site. Okay, so what is next? What are we going to be talking about next here? Well, we're going to wait till the next video. And so just go ahead and click next. We're going to get into the video on how to start getting traffic. And folks, this is getting exciting. Talk to you in the next video.